Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to promote an affiliate link using Google Sites. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to sign up to Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program or ClickBank. So there are lots of tools and sites that can help you become an affiliate. All you have to do is to sign up and then meet their requirements like ClickBank or Amazon. So you just have to simply sign up and then meet the requirement and then earn commission by posting or sharing or promoting their products. And then once someone buy the product, then you will have your commission. You will earn money. So what we're going to do here, for example, you need to create an account. And once you meet the requirements, then you can now open the Amazon and then look for the specific product that you want to promote in your Google site. So let's just say you have your Amazon affiliate marketing program account already. Go to Amazon, select the product that you want to promote. Here in the Amazon, once you are qualified, you will see that code. So all you have to do is to upload their pictures, the picture that you want to promote here on your Google site. And then basically you can now promote, you can now add link here by tapping this text button. So for example, you can add click here and then paste that code that you have generated from Amazon. That is the link that your customer client click and will take directly to Amazon. And once they buy that product, you will have your commission, you will have your earnings. Publish. Another thing is that you can embed the code. So for example, you're going to generate the code from Amazon, paste it right here, and then place it wherever you want here on your Google site. So let's just say this is the link. So once you publish your Google site, then your client or the customer will click this link right here. It will take them directly to Amazon, buy the product, and you will get your commission or earning. Also, same thing with ClickBank. Just generate the code and then paste it right here. So basically, that's how easy it is to promote an affiliate link using Google Sites. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.